Imagine you're alone in space. No spaceship, no station, no rescue. In front of you looms a colossal object, 11 times wider than Earth, spinning furiously, endlessly. This is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant of unimaginable scale and mystery. You stare at it, enchanted, awestruck, and then you jump. No one knows why. Maybe gravity pulled you in. Maybe you just had to know what lies beneath those swirling clouds. The question is, what happens if you fall into Jupiter? Will you survive? Will you reach the core? Or will you be crushed, vaporized, or cease to exist in a way we can't comprehend? Before we dive in, let's get to know the monster we're dealing with. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it has no solid surface. You can't land on it like you can on the Moon or Mars. It's a swirling ball of gas and liquid, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. The deeper you go, the more intense the pressure gets, crushing gas into liquid and then into something even stranger, metallic hydrogen. Jupiter's mass is 318 times that of Earth, but its density is only about a quarter of Earth's. That's because it's mostly made of light elements like hydrogen. 1 year on Jupiter equals nearly 12 Earth years, but a day, just 9 hours and 55 minutes. It spins so fast it bulges at the equator, forming a distinct oblate shape. Its magnetic field, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, and its storms? Legendary. The Great Red Spot is a massive hurricane-like storm that's been churning for over 350 years. It's so big it could swallow 3 Earths whole. But beneath those iconic clouds, what actually lies below? Let's follow you, the brave or perhaps insane explorer, as you descend into Jupiter's atmosphere. Phase 1, the outer clouds, 0 to 50 kilometers. You break through the upper atmosphere. The first thing you encounter is a haze of ammonia crystals, ice particles, and turbulent winds whipping at over 300 miles per hour. Bolts of lightning flash around you. Thunder rumbles like the roar of a cosmic beast. It's minus 145 degrees Celsius here. If you're not in an advanced protective suit, you freeze instantly. The sunlight dims quickly. Below you, a sea of rolling chaos. Phase 2, pressure builds, 50 to 500 kilometers. The pressure starts climbing, fast, twice Earth's sea level pressure, 10 times, 100 times. Your eardrums would rupture, your lungs collapse, your blood would boil. Without futuristic protection, your body would be crushed in seconds. But let's say, for the sake of science fiction, you have an ultra-resistant exosuit, one that can withstand pressure, temperature, and radiation far beyond anything humans have built so far. You're still falling, faster. Phase 3, the liquid hydrogen ocean, 1,000 to 5,000 kilometers. You're now deep inside a giant invisible ocean. Here, hydrogen is no longer a gas. It's been compressed into a liquid state. This ocean has no surface, no waves, just a surreal, dense medium that pulls you in. The deeper you go, the more intense the gravitational pull. The pressure here? Millions of atmospheres. Temperature? Over 1,000 degrees Celsius, enough to melt most metals. This is the point where even your sci-fi grade suit might begin to fail. The heat and pressure are relentless. No probe or craft has ever made it this far and sent back data. Phase 4, metallic hydrogen layer, 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers. You reach one of the most mysterious regions in the solar system, the layer of metallic hydrogen. Under such extreme pressure, hydrogen atoms lose their electrons. What's left is a strange conductive fluid that behaves like a metal. This layer is what powers Jupiter's immense magnetic field. It's alien, exotic. We've never been able to recreate it on Earth for more than a few microseconds. Your surroundings are now a chaotic sea of energy, currents, and pressure. You're not just falling anymore. You're being pulled apart at the atomic level. Phase 5, the core, 10,000 plus kilometers. No one knows for sure what lies at Jupiter's core. Some models suggest a rocky or icy core, up to 20 times Earth's mass. Others suggest the core dissolved long ago into the metallic hydrogen ocean. Temperature? Up to 35,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun. Even if you made it this far, and you wouldn't, you'd be nothing more than scattered particles, compressed and erased from existence. There is no ground, no bottom, just increasing density and heat until matter and energy blur. Let's set science aside for a moment and let the imagination run wild. Theory 1, Jupiter, a failed star? Jupiter is often called a failed star. It's made of the same stuff as stars, mostly hydrogen and helium. If it had been 80 times more massive, it could have ignited nuclear fusion and become a second sun. What if it almost did? What if Jupiter was once a star, now long dead, cooling from the inside out? Or maybe it's still gathering mass, waiting for the moment to ignite. Theory 2, Jupiter as a natural supercomputer? What if Jupiter isn't just a planet, but a computational entity? Some scientists theorize that certain exotic environments, like metallic hydrogen layers and magnetic fields, could form the basis for quantum-level computation. Could the layers of Jupiter act like a planet-sized brain? If so, when you fall in, your body doesn't die. Your atoms are scanned, decoded, uploaded. You become part of the machine, a data point in a cosmic consciousness. Theory 3, Jupiter as a gateway? In theoretical physics, certain gravitational and electromagnetic conditions might support phenomena like wormholes or quantum tunnels. Could Jupiter be a gateway to another dimension? Is that why probes fail to return? When you fall into Jupiter, maybe you don't die. Maybe you're transported to another corner of the universe, to another version of reality. Falling into Jupiter isn't about survival. It's about understanding how small we are in the face of cosmic forces. Jupiter isn't just a planet, it's a boundary, a limit. Beyond it lies conditions that defy everything we know. Pressure, heat, gravity, magnetism, and perhaps reality itself. When we imagine falling into Jupiter, we aren't just imagining death, we're imagining transformation, the loss of the self, the body, the mind, and the potential emergence of something new. Maybe you're not destroyed, maybe you become energy, or information, or a story whispered in the clouds of the gas giant for eternity. You've just fallen into Jupiter, but what if you fell into a black hole? Would you be stretched into nothingness, or enter a parallel universe? Or what if Earth suddenly swapped places with Saturn? Could humanity survive? If you're fascinated by the universe's strangest questions, impossible what-ifs, and the fine line between science and science fiction, hit that subscribe button for more episodes from No Way. Tap the notification bell so you never miss the next cosmic thought experiment. Drop a comment. What should we fall into next? Because the universe is infinite, and your imagination might just go farther than that.